Hey guys, in this video, we're going to show you how to fix Telegram people nearby not showing. If the people nearby option is missing from your Telegram app, and you can't see or use it, this usually happens because of incorrect location or contact permissions, an outdated app version, or a temporary glitch in the app. You can fix this by checking your device settings, allowing proper permissions, and reinstalling the app to restore the feature. First, open the settings on your mobile device. Now scroll down and tap on apps to view all the installed applications. Here, scroll down the list and find Telegram, then tap on it to open its settings page. Next, tap on permissions to check what access has been granted. Now, tap on location and select allow only while using the app. This step ensures Telegram can access your location whenever you open it, which is required for the people nearby feature. After that, go back and tap on contacts. Make sure it is set to allow, so that Telegram can access your contact list and properly show nearby users. Next, go back to the home screen and open the Play Store. Then, use the search bar to find Telegram and tap on it from the results. Here, tap on uninstall and confirm by tapping uninstall again. This will remove the current version of the app in case it has a bug. Once it is removed, tap on install to download and install the latest version of Telegram. Finally, open Telegram after installation and check if the people nearby option is now showing. Thank you guys so much for watching, hope you got some value, see you in the next one.